Apply for a passport. She needs to apply for a passport before planning her trip abroad. Get a passport. Before his international trip, he made sure to get a passport from the local government office, completing all the necessary paperwork. Renew a passport. He has to renew his passport to avoid any travel issues. Have or hold a passport. She holds a passport from 2 different countries. Lose a passport. He lost his passport during the trip, which caused a lot of stress. Steal a passport. While she was distracted taking photos, a man stole her passport from her backpack. Find a passport. Luckily, someone found his passport and returned it to the lost and found. Travel on a passport. He was able to travel on a passport issued just in time for his summer abroad program. Stamp a passport. The immigration officer stamped her passport upon arrival. Forge a passport. Forging a passport is a serious crime with severe penalties. Confiscate a passport. In certain situations, authorities may confiscate a passport for legal reasons. A passport expires. When a passport expires, it is no longer valid for international travel. A valid passport. To enter the country, travelers must present a valid passport at immigration. A forged passport. Customs officials are trained to spot forged passports among genuine ones. A new passport. She applied for a new passport after changing her name. An expired passport. Traveling with an expired passport can lead to being denied entry at a border. Passport number. Your passport number is a unique identifier that you'll often need to provide when booking international flights. Passport photo. He took a new passport photo for his application. Passport application. The first step in getting a new passport involves submitting a passport application along with the required documents. Passport holder. As an American passport holder, he enjoys visa-free access to many countries, making international travel more convenient for him. Passport control. Upon arrival, all passengers must go through passport control to enter the country. Passport renewal. She submitted her documents for passport renewal.